This will be a one fire alarm unboxing video. I'm talking to the viewers. These. And let's see the model. It's by Silent Night. You can see that. It is PS-DATK. Alright. Naturally see me open it. Alright, see this? Guess it's made in China. So here. Alright, good. Not any of these models that are not corrected. It's this model corrected. Hey. I think I hear the keys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, here's the keys with the brake rod. I didn't expect that. Let's open this back up before you can see the actual alarm. Mounting the hardware. Then the brake rod. I think it's glass. Or it looks like glass, but it's actually plastic. Probably plastic. We got the Silent Night key. It doesn't have the logo on it, but this is the alarm. Oh, this feels cool. Oh, that was cool. So what you do is put the key in, open it, lift the handle. It's not ring loaded, so it's like you can pull it, push and pull down, and then you can just reset it. Hard. It's kind of hard. Look at this, the button and the screw terminals. I thought these were going to be tinier, but looks like I'm wrong. It's cool. Yep. And if we open it up, there's a brake rod slot here. You can insert your brake rod right here. Yeah. But this is really it. Push, pull down. Alright, that's it, I think. Bye.